Let's go. Sibling rivalry. One more time.
What are we gonna say, bro? Let's plan something.
For what? We've been working just like. Hello.
What's up, everybody?
Welcome back to Sibling Rivalry with me, Talita Ndima.
Zukondima is my name. Tamzwibiri, Tamzwaiko.
No, I'm just funny nickname.
Oh, self-love, my dear. No, it can't be self-love. It's because people give you nicknames.
Yes.
I don't think I've given myself any one nickname.
Tamzupela.
Tamzupela, and then you go sure. Zupela is just way out of my thinking, anything that I could have imagined. Yeah, so often, but I'm sure you've got nicknames people have given
Okay,
you.
fine. Let me go again. Don't laugh. And welcome back to Sibling Rivalry with me. Go.
Why did you start it in the middle?
As opposed to, oh, hello.
You call go with me. I can't.
With me, Talita Ndima, aka T-Money, Tali, Nolit.
Fish.
Hold on.
Zola part.
Okay. Yeah, let it be.
Tanzania. Wena man, une nicknames asekhayeni, not asestratweni. Une terms of endearment that they use at home, you know? That's what you have. You don't have as asestratweni for nizinto.
So 14, yawubanga ndisithi T-Money.
And then, and what else? That's it.
Someone's boyfriend started calling me something last week.
Okay. Hopefully not baby.
And I was like, never ever call me that again.
Oh.
Umtizozo.
Ayacapukela. Ufuna ukubonisa wena nomuntu wakho ba akakufuni nyani.
I was like, do not ever call me that again. He's like, ayakufanele umtizozo. I'm like, no, it makes me sound like some thug.
Yeah, fair.
And finally,
Yeah.
Angomtizozo.
Oh.
What?
I want to come up with a nickname for you now.
Yeah, well, I mean, you've had quite a long time.
Sure. No, but I haven't actively been thinking about it. It's something that I'm
And
willing
I
to
haven't
spend
come
time.
up with it. I don't call you a nickname. Also, your name is so short.
Zooks. You also call me Zooks.
Sure. I wonder,
And Clown Gezel or whatever. But you couldn't be the Zooks from time to time.
Okay.
How's the Zooks? Yeah, okay. Most definitely. Otherwise, why eat? In fact, cool. You know, all is good, all is well.
What does come mean? Secret.
Zaphakam.
70 pezili.
Yeah, ziyaphakama, sensho. Hey, ndikhule ndifuna ufunda inombolo. Hey, yeah,
that's why.
being a boy child is probably one of the most confusing and horrible things that a person can go through, yes? Ufuna yonke into ufuna ubiza inombolo. Into zasejele zintoni ezo? Kapha ngeweekend senkonzwe I'm a child of the king.
Aibo.
Child of the king. I was nilikithi xa ndiphuma ke enkonzweni. Come on, man. Guys, adulting is difficult, but I'm willing to submit. There's so many decisions and choices that you have to make on a daily basis.
Yes, because the world is literally your oyster. You can do anything.
For real. And then you choose the wrong thing. So yeah. But yeah, otherwise the
But
week.
thank goodness you didn't learn it, right?
You don't?
Into your normal.
Ndayifunda.
Cut.
Central.
Cut.
What do you
I
mean?
don't even know why I asked you that. Because I was hoping the answer would be no, and then we'd move on.
Now you know we have to role play it, right?
Oh, who am I? I always get these whack. These are raw
You are you.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Go kumnandi.
That's not role playing if I'm myself.
It is.
No, it's not.
Kodwa kufuneka uphendule kaloku wena.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wena ungubani?
Mna kaloku uSentondi Mzwibiri. Sounds like a criminal.
Sounds like he's got a scar.
Yeah. You understand?
Yeah, Mzwipa.
Yeah, so uyahamba ndidibane nawe.
Yeah, what is that? Also, why? Okay, fine. La 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 la.
Yes, I wish. Bathi ungubani? Yeka. Oh, yeka. Oh, sezawulimala.
Why? What?
Jonge ndikufundise.
I don't speak
Even
prison.
ngazidibana naso athi wash bathi ungubani? Yazi bothini? Bothi ingane imashukuma tekhinca iphonyo hola 7.
Excuse me. There's a whole 7 at the
Yeah.
end. Okay, say the full sentence.
Bathi ingane
Ingane yenza-
imashukuma tekhinca iphonyo hola 7.
And then what have I just said?
Hmm?
What have I just said?
Yeah, uzazisile ba said don't mess with me. Yabo?
I can just see my. Ingane manyukunyazi.
You understand? Uthi ngantata ingolo hlobo mna aningoncimba lakaxhana mala leveve impatha. Come
I
on.
hate the fact that you know this.
Hayi ndayifunza kwayizo kaloku.
Oh, at least it has a TV.
No, I don't know anything of the real numbers gang. That's scary. And school like gang in our hood.
Eh?
The OVP squad.
Oh,
But
that
I
a
was
gang
too
war?
young. I was too young
To
to join
join.
it.
How old did you have to be? 18?
Man zasindala for nini eza chaps
That's
ezi-OVP
never
squad for nini. Nje zazihlukumeza abantu.
Njani?
Like sento just rukshina abantu estradweni. It was yayigang a week suburbs. Akubulawa umuntu wakurokapha. Akwenze. Abanazo negani. Nabayaziyo ukutshaya ingawuza. Oh no. Igang yotshaya ingawuza. Oh.
If you're watching and you happened to have been a part of the OVB gang,
Yasekho members of squad. Zazala abantwana zatshata zaqhubeka ngolife.
This is what I'm saying though. Like, if you remember,
Yeah.
let us know what was your modus operandi.
Oh, your OVP squad.
Yes.
Or if you have ever been a part of a gang growing up, when I as a person, and what did you guys do? What did you guys get up to, etc., etc., etc. Yeah.
Okay, I really hope we get no comments about this.
Why?
Because it is so scary.
Oh, well, maybe we'll get trying out. That's the funniest thing.
Okay,
But
cool.
yeah, anyways, how are you doing?
I'm okay, thank you.
How's your week?
Fine.
Uh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just fine. We did a photo shoot yesterday, which was fun.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, for the first time ever.
Look at God.
Yes. So I never have fun in photo shoots because I don't like taking pictures, but yesterday was good.
Nah.
Yeah. I
You
wonder what
enjoyed it.
made it good also.
And then you got the pictures today.
And we got the pictures today.
And
I love all of them. It's so hard to pick. But then I was also like, I want you to pick your one.
oh, okay.
Mm.
Mna zakhetho life row, so Belinda, I'm sending the link. So yeah, because you know, like someone stole your puppy. What happened? Ufuna undikethela ngokwakho?
No. It's
Oh, kofuneka ndabe iduties ngoku. Hayi ke Talita. Hey. Mamzupela Talita,
Someone
mamzupela ndithini yawo?
Someone was telling me how sisters can get so hectic.
Yeah.
Brother wabe chati.
No, absolutely.
And so he was saying, "Ba, sister nice." I'm fine, bro. Like, you don't have to ask me about it. Like, yeah, but a lot of the time, abantu abazaz, but they're not being nice
Yes.
because they feel entitled to their brother's time and space and money and whatever it is. And then kufika lo sisi, and then lo sisi is overtaking all of that stuff, and they feel hayi bo, umntu wethu mos lo. And I was thinking about it and I was like, I couldn't imagine like not being nice to like umntu omtshadileyo.
Do you think people who are not nice know that they are not being nice?
This is what I'm saying. I don't think they do a lot of the time. But come on, bruh. If you're not being nice to Tumba Wenzandon,
Often you're protecting your own interests. It's like umntana selfish. Umntana selfish. You are not being nice here. Now I'm protecting myself and my
just doing
interests.
me.
Yes.
Which is weird. And then I'm like, okay, in those instances, doesn't the wife ever say, oh, I got sis bako, and then no brother nginzindo because nae will start.
It's a difficult conversation because it depends man. Yonke lento bayiplay kanjani. Because ke ufuza ngixela ngosister wami okhohlakeleyo then sizawulo.
Sizolana nikhohlakelele.
Eh?
Sizozlwa njani?
Khohlakala njani sister yami? It's impossible lento ithethayo.
Kodwa unikhohlakalele mina. Mhlawumbe akakhohlakalanga but mina.
Sukuthi ukhohlakele kaloku ithi awuyithandanga mhlawumbe nenzile. Actually yambo thetha yize masimbize as up.
See, this is the problem.
Over-explaining.
Hey, this is how I feel. You're like, no, that can't be how you feel because that's not possible.
It's not possible that she's this person. No, you feel however you want to feel. But it's not possible by isikhohlakalo sister wam.
Kaloku, sister wako has never had to share you before with a wife. So that has unearthed different things in her that she hasn't used before. And then one of those things could be ukhohlakala.
Let's talk about it. Not you questioning band protector wena.
Ukhohlakala, what is it in English?
Funny, dirty heart. I don't know. To be the word is right here. I don't know. Is it? I feel like being mean is
small.
Yes.
And being evil is too big.
Yes, correct. Somewhere between.
Yeah,
in the middle there.
Okay, Fonine, I hear you, but I'm just saying, a lot of these things are also so minute that your wife could explain them to you, and you'd be like, "Oh, Fonine, me mistake. Oh, I will."
Like you do, because what do you do? One of our jobs, one of our jobs is to protect the people that we care about.
And you care about both of us. So, but you're not protecting one of us.
Particularly now, in the situ by approach. You understand?
So if I do it like this.
Understand?
Oh, yeah, cares. Divorce layer.
I won't call you Zake if Aungati Utilika Emtini.
Okay, fine.
Cause and effect.
Okay, fine. So let's say I come to you like this.
Oh, yeah.
Do I'm with you, baby.
Okay, Hutini, my love.
Yes! Khona mani into engandiphathanga kakuhle. Ngokuya besiphako wenu weekend. Yazi usister wakho bemane ethetha izinto i-comments nje ezibhekene nam and nam benivesike ndincume and just keep it moving but beniphetheke kakubi actually because I feel like she was on my case weekend.
Ngongamiyekanga kaloku nawe uyabona ke ucimbi normal ke
Ndithini?
Ngixelele ba uyithandi awuyithandanga le nto yenzekayo awuyithandi asenze ishow ngawe.
Okay, so ndimyekile ngoku because I didn't know what to do. Bendi-shocked nam ndingazazi uma mandithini and besihleli nabantu bakowenu so I didn't want to ba ngathi ndi-attacker umntu.
Omatheki Fonini khaya mcela ba hayi ke.
And that's kaloku because I don't know where this came from so I don't know.
Sibanga ngathi nyusilizwe. And thethanga ndi off mose mina ne. Miyekile la muntu bekuhlukumeza. Gogo imeme yami.
You're talking too much.
Unxaka lithando yakho.
I'm the complainant. You're talking too much.
It's a tricky one, man. It's a tricky
It
one.
is a
And
tricky
it's just I think it's in all seriousness though, I think it's just it's a conflict resolution kind of thing. And everyone just needs to be aware. But
So when I upelele at, or you should have said something.
oh, funny. I'm very bad at recreating a situation engenzekiyo.
Oh.
Yeah, the good part insecure. You understand?
Okay, fine. Yeah, but it's a tough one. And it's not a simple one because it's not a linear kind of problem.
It's not because omnye akazogeza out 9-9.
No.
Omnye uzawugeza ngutefa.
Yes.
You understand?
I'm gonna require Risha at awkward times on your anniversary. You're out for dinner at your spot.
Yeah, but I think more than anything else though, it's for the person, whether ke out yakho nawe or ndim, it's for the person who holds both relationships to manage.
Which is you.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's that person that needs to look out for everybody. Sometimes even preemptively, or just to really be able to nyani. I don't know. I always believe ukuthi kaske abantu babizi bahlala lapho boyithuthe nje na. Kunoba umane relay message.
For sure, and I think that's the best
Play
way to do
therapist.
it. Yeah, 100%, because you're gonna go talk to your sister. Sister waka azithethelele ya na yourself. Mhlamba avakale kuwe. And you're like,
okay. Futhi.
Yeah, and then you go back and to the complainant and go, no, but she didn't masthethe ngoku.
Yeah, must sit in, and yeah.
And that doesn't happen.
Yeah, it doesn't happen often because as human beings, what do? We try and avoid the awkwardness. And at the end of the day, it's the awkwardness that will fix the situation.
Yeah.
I think I'm not just calling everyone into a room, but I must not go learning, guys. This is what happens. And Yani being as the person, as I say, in the middle.
Mm-hmm.
Yani being aware, they have got an added responsibility to manage.
For sure.
I think that definitely helps. And in not trying to be biased or unhappy or whatever the case may be. But yeah, also don't take it on yourself. But if there's anyone must be unhappy, it mustn't be you.
No.
At
no one
all.
must
That's
be
never the right answer.
No.
Yeah.
No, because I tibananga now. Yes, itibene now because yes, itibene now, but ultimately, xa sisemakhitshini ungekho wena usebuhlanti siphethene kakubi apha, you're fine. Awuzibani happy wena because you're doing your thing. Bolile wena for nini. So, I don't know. It's weird. Let us know, guys, if we've had any strange relationships with in-laws where you're like, damn, and doesn't. Okanye if
in-laws or friends.
Or friends.
No bestie, nendoni, like other relationships that have existed before a relationship that you might be in.
Yeah, because there's also jealousy with like new friendships from old friends as well. Yeah.
Definitely.
Which kind of reads in the same spectrum. Where ichom zakhe zindala like, you le chom yakho inchani la qom mos.
Yo, sana. Oh. Yeah, sure. By the way.
Okay.
So, yeah, photo shoot was cool. I also enjoyed it. I feel like you need to find a pose. I feel like poses I'm Z1. Central, I don't know, man. Maybe I must. It's actually, there's a very simple solve for that. I must just look at people and look at how they're posing. Class symbol.
As poses also.
Come on, friend. I mean, we're drawing pictures on the internet. You'll see a million poses. You will. It's just that. Yeah, like proper things. So I'd like to increase my repertoire of poses. That's one thing that I'd like to increase. And then we were also at a family function on the weekend, which I don't know, and I enjoyed it so much.
I know.
Also, guys, like I feel like it's like, why is it that like families, ingati if families as a unit zisuka emzini omnye, because the family structure, like so when I was at our family function, it's like when I go to another family function, right? So logo guko ezahotmani zibehave ngendlela ethile, the fun uncles, you know, the conservative ones, nonozala, kukho fresh, like all of these different characters, they kind of like exist in every single family. And I find that so cool. And I think one thing for me that really stuck out in this one is that for the first time, basically like benhleli bras.
Now I'm listening for the first time ever in my life.
You understand? Dicela uhlala namajita. You understand?
Yes, behleli uncles.
Behleli bras this time, you know, and besincokola ne bras. And I was just like, hey, kuyakhula manenge, because I was just like, hey, umuntu mdala also, you know what I mean?
Because akuthiwa hayi hamba wena uyohlala.
We're correct. And I'll finish it out of place, you know what I mean?
Involved.
Yes.
Asking you questions.
Uyabo?
Mamela into xa uzithetha nawe.
So I think that's what made me that's what made this one stick out. When I think of it now, like retrospectively, that's what made it stick out.
You were in a different position.
Yes, I was in a different position. Behleli netazi, sincokola kamandi, sihleka, you know, uyilondole as like adults.
Yeah.
And I just realized, ivalekile le gap.
Yeah.
Or iye ivaleka igap.
Oh, 100%.
Iye ivaleka.
Yes, because abangumntana udibene nangabi.
Correct. So
also you came there with a fro, bro. So it was just like,
yeah, 100%. But you know, so besisonke, besihleli sonke, uyabo. And I just realized, but ingathi ivaleka le gap more than anything else. And I was just like, that's actually really, really cool. As something that also, I guess, a person should use to now also feel like, hey, maybe I should start spending more time so that I can also start gaining wisdom, knowledge in terms of how to carry on. Because it does nazo.
Yeah, exactly.
And they've got so much to pass on, and it's not being passed on because we're not intentional about it. And anything that we're not intentional about, it's going to suffer at the end of the day.
Sure.
So I think that was really, really cool, and something that I have resolved to make a conscious effort to say, but hey, man, because they're actually cool people
100%.
and you've got a lot to learn just in terms of life, but also how to carry on certain traditions and things that we still have to do and still have to take care of.
Exactly, because otaza banini at some point.
Seyiqalisa.
Yeah.
Seyiqalisile.
Will be looking up bastini.
Yeah.
Uthiwa
Exactly. And we're now nas answers now because you never took the time. Because it's funny because I've realized that they don't necessarily, these things don't get passed down.
No.
As we always thought.
No, it's not on the people who know to pass it down. It's from the people who want to know to ask for it.
Oh, that's very fair. That's very fair. Okay. Yeah, so that was for me, like that this week has been really, really cool.
Yeah, that was fun. That was really cool.
Yeah, something to think about. Yeah. And I'm glad you enjoyed it. Ugeza pa. Wabugeza pa.
Bengingagezi.
Ubugeza for sihle no malume nobani. Uthi phakame nothi bakhuluwa. Sawucela indlela.
Because I knew this guy's gonna if we left it up to you. And how else was I supposed to ask?
And umkhulwa wami kwa wena so ke ilondo le. I
should have been like bakhulwa nawe now.
Kwetin. I must start him out.
Oh, I'd love to do that. You must get to this kid.
The causaness of it all.
Dog. So I've got one closer word.
Okay.
That I heard on a TikTok. Going out to London. The date is close. I just don't remember for the life of me what his name is right now. Yathetha ngetheme kuthiwa ukucukuceza. Yakwazi ukucukuceza. Into ezikhulele kwi-suburbs. Ezingadlanga zahlala res.
Yeah.
Any ideas? Inohamba kancinci.
Something intentionally, slowly. Yeah, no. No, yeah. Yabanda kanye lishushu.
Yeah, I know that tiki to call it. But the way I understand ukuceza, it's to buy in small quantities. Udibanisa. Like umuntu uzathi ecuceza uhambe uyofuna matswele amabili intswele amatswele ne matswele bo ne uthenga amatswele amabini uthenge ne half brown yabo njalo onontlupheko yes udibanisa ukuceza. As far as I know, I don't know what the official Nantsika is, but also I feel like Kamala Sekasi also is it an official word?
I have no idea. And I've heard it before, but not often.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
And not often enough for me to be able to put context to it.
Yeah. So I just found that was a very interesting word. And I was just
Let us know, okay, guys,
yes.
Okay, so you gave me this, right?
Yes, correct. So background on that, I just wanted you to explain it because I was just like, I don't know if I'm going to be able to explain it kahle.
Okay, fine.
Besithetha nge ndoni zizaci into le amahlelo. We spoke a couple of episodes ago about amahlelo, ne? We've got a resident Xhosa Han. Yo. Wow. Oh, you're Han lady.
Yeah, no, lady.
Ubomi, right? And Ubomi, very often she likes to send me DMs, voice notes, voice notes and explanations on various Xhosa terms, right? I still need to get it right and get Tizawuthetha naye for the next episode, and she needs to tell me what she does exactly. Tizawukwazi explain kahle, but there has been linguistic.
Oh, okay.
Yabo kanje. So and a lot of it is Xhosa. Okay. So she sent me that explanation. Yabo ke noni? I always forget the word. Amahlelo, which we spoke about on a Bling Line episode to be noun classes.
Yes, amahlelo ezibizo.
Yes, right. And then she sent me a list of what they kind of are.
And this is according to the numbering. She's numbered them according to ihlelo 1 ngu
Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So as far as I can see, number 1, ihlelo 1 as in umntu.
Yes.
And then the next thing will then be the plural.
Ihlelo
2. So what is the plural of umntu?
Abantu.
So
Aba.
Yes. So that'll be aba.
Yes.
But there's more than one because kuko abe no o.
Omntu.
No.
Oyavuma. Oh. Yakuva mntu. I think let's just do 2 this week.
Okay, fine.
So it's ihlelo 1 this week.
Yeah, 1 or 2.
Yeah.
Okay, so I can't read what the second one is. There in the singular.
Yeah.
But then on the plural is aba, abe. What's the word that starts with abe?
Abesuthu.
Abelungu.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why are we going to cultures?
Because it feels like, what else is it? And then
Okay.
Oban.
Changisa.
Yes. Uchangisa. Yes.
Speaking to people.
Yes, so speaking to people. So the first one is and u.
Yes.
So then you can change u to o.
Okay.
Yes, and you can change to aba.
Okay.
Or abe.
Okay.
That's so interesting. I finally kind of get it.
Yeah, Tivana. It makes sense. Yeah.
Okay. So phelela apha. Sizonisa kuhlelo 15.
Sizawusuka apha ku-1 no-2 siye ku-15. Hlelo 1 2 aba abe o.
That's also so crazy that somebody sat down and was like, this is how I'm going to break down these things in language. Because that's a lot. Because I don't know about but I know how to use them in the correct way. But someone went, hold on, there's a science. And the science fits with all the words.
Correct, and that's how the language was built. In fact, it should have been the first person to come up with the science and the rules of the language.
No, I think it came after the language already existed.
People were just talking.
Yeah. I think 2 Xhosa people came on the earth and they were like,
no.
Fondini, ho.
Fondini. No, you don't think so?
No, I think the rules a lot of the time come after the fact.
Inobi language yathi iphinjani.
Exactly, siqaleni lapho. Sithe sibeninzi kangaka. Saqalwe njani?
Umuntu wayehlukunyezwa ngumuntu wathi, "Hey, lento yenzayo kanjani? Ingathi yandijwayela." And then
From that day on,
it feels like, if I were to describe this feeling, ingathi ndiyajwayeleka.
Yes, because not all the grammar existed at the beginning. And the grammar kept getting added on and added on as it's still being done today.
Is it?
Yes. And then you could ngoja sasa simane sisithi, oh,
Asiyeke. Masiyeke. Okay.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, was the closeness of it all.
It's because velaphi. Yeah. That for me is very intriguing.
Okay, now we have to go into that rabbit hole.
Okay.
If you are usixolele now, don't stress about
yes,
that.
Yeah. Yilla wena. And I feel like we've just gotten lazier and lazier as time has gone by.
No.
But I suppose because guess also say I'm mixing in languages, and also I don't think we just use language as extensively as it has been created as well.
No, definitely not.
Skanga phezulu.
Yeah.
Okay. So on this episode, and I think it's long overdue as well. We are on a player game. Oh, we're taking this serious. Thetha ngento zenkonzo necawa. Ngapha sithetha ngento zokushare ii-secrets zakho nee-decisions. You know, we've gone through quite a number of things.
True.
So it's time to play a game. And I decided that what the player game for this time is going to be truth or
Were you being serious?
Yes.
So tell me there's a lot for you.
Don't you worry, my girl.
Okay, fine.
So it's allowed truth or dare.
Okay,
right?
sure.
A game
Ooh,
that have you ever played it?
Of course.
As
Growing
Patty.
up, yes. I dated to kiss Stuart for 5 seconds in the cupboard. I got my first kiss on Truth or Dare. And it was Stuart. Hey,
Nalo mlomo utsolo nobo wayethe uStewie.
And I was the only darkie at the party. And everyone was looking at Stuart like, you gonna do it? You gonna do it? And Stuart was like, oh, see. That's his life.
I
I've
didn't
heard so
know
many
this.
horror stories about Bandamanyama being at parties where abanye abantu like they're like, oh, now we're all playing spin the bottle, and then the bottle lands on me and no one wants to kiss me. The person who spammed the bottle doesn't want to kiss me because I'm a darkie. Rest.
Kwakunzima ukhula nge-apartheid ne. Khula seyiphelile thina apartheid. Oh Melissa, oh my God.
And it's so funny because in high school, we had crushes in high school, obviously, right? And then crush of crush Dane. And Dane crush now, but Dane amehlo 14 is way.
Uyabona kanye wishful thinking.
No, Dane fonini solo ke funa uhlala na ecangwa ke classini, ke break ufuna uhlala nawe i4square, wants to walk you to the bus, whatever, you know? Please walk me to my soccer game. Come on, bruh.
What does
Dane
that mean? High school. Tell it.
Sorry, Dane yakuthanda.
Ivuthiwe.
Okay, ubethwe imeko. Kapande merv.
Anyways, can we get to the game
Yeah,
now?
sure, let's
Number 1, truth or dare?
Okay. Oh, truth. It's not truth.
Have you ever snooped through my stuff?
No. What stuff?
Am I what?
I'm too scared to snoop through your stuff.
What do you mean?
What if I find things that shock me? Then I can't-
shocked.
Then I can't look you in the eye.
Never.
No.
Sihlala soyiduza itenteni yazange ucinga ba. Ngasinye ndiyicheckishe into zakhe.
For what?
Just to see, maybe you want to see something, maybe you want to see my bank balance.
Oh no.
Maybe you want to see what secrets I'm keeping. Maybe you, like, why do people snoop? Like,
Bro, i-privacy yakho siyithini yona siyilahle emnyango.
Privacy.
Yes.
should. Okay.
I don't know. I wouldn't like someone snooping through my stuff, so I don't snoop through
I mean,
people's
I don't think there's anyone who would like someone to snoop through
So
their
did you ever say it, mate? Hey, bro.
And so you're so straight. That's one thing that I'm noticing about you a lot. Like in these episodes, but you're really like a person who toes the line. You're morally upstanding.
Oh.
Yes. Yeah. I find you very morally upstanding.
Oh, that's awesome.
Jay, like as
I've
a
never
person.
been accused of that before.
But you know what they say?
What?
Good girls go to heaven. Bad girls go everywhere. So okay. See you in heaven, mate. Okay.
I am more than one thing at a time. Wait, now have you snooped through my stuff? No, I don't want to know. Ask the next question. Why would you do that? Yes, you have, because you were reading my diary when I was little. Dad told me everyone read my diary. He was telling me the contents of my
Yeah,
diary.
you use paper yet. We use your diary as a bonding moment. We were trying
And then me! Who's bonding with me?
We were trying to get to know you better. Kaloku ngoku acting stage. Usenza into singazaziyo. I hate you, mom. Don't do it. Sasizama ukuqonda he. And ke P, it's that time ke ngoku zento zamadimoni, ntoni abantwana, satanism. Yebo? So we're trying to figure out hey, what's going on?
Dad literally said
That's so
an
funny.
excerpt from my diary verbatim to me the other day, and I was like,
Outside of the one that I know.
which one do you know?
Well, I gotta
Why do you guys also have these in your head?
Today is my best friend's birthday. She is 12, but I am still 11. Ngelavi ba unangaphi kavuyela ijomi le yakho.
You know, age is a big thing for kids, though. Come on. These things are important. Tuko.
The timer doesn't know a different one.
Yes, this one was hectic. Oh, I can't even say it.
It was about your life.
Yeah.
What was happening in your life?
Yeah, bro. I was a pretty dark kid, apparently,
Oh, Italy,
in my diary. I know. But at least I had an outlet. You know what I'm saying?
But now, do you think that the fact that Itama got to read your diary helped?
Well, all he says is that it then they were monitoring like my behavior and stuff. Because I said some wild stuff.
Yes, but then it got them to kind of understand you a bit.
I mean, I don't know. I just think it scared them more than anything.
Shocking. You? Yeah, ne?
Guys all real.
Yeah, look, I mean, man. Like, not that.
Did you read your my diary independently of the
Hey,
poem?
wait.
Oh, so
Anda
only-
Anda Njanja. But now I feel bad.
Do you think they gave you a diary so that they could get into my thoughts in the first place?
Yeah. Yeah, wait, I think as a parent, you as a parent, you'll read a diary not out of Tandindaba. No.
fatigue.
Yeah, no. I think we read your diary for different reasons.
You read it because you were just curious.
Funny, you sister amendala phone funubona pa into the boys and that's what I want to see.
Okay.
But not for any other not indo yakayo.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
And even like school, I'm before I wanna go through your phone or whatever. Curiosity, but what does she just like? What does she get up to? Do you know what I mean? And things like that, but not like anything outside of that. Like Windows silly, but funuboni bank statement, yeah, mali in your bank account, and I mean, it's known as like right now, and like because not because I'm shocked, but I'm just now I understand what privacy is.
Oh.
Then I understand why you know it's private because I had nothing private. In the Nandiazi one private part. Well, of course, the private part. But outside of that, like
You didn't have secrets.
privacy, what? Tiabona's bugeli film knock before you come in. I'm like, why are you knocking, bro? Because you're Mosha. Okay, whatever. Yeah, but yeah, anyways. I understand that a lot more now. I wouldn't go through your stuff now. So yeah. I get it. Number 2, truth or dare.
Oh, no.
Let's just go with truths, actually. And then if you don't want to answer a truth, then we're going
Then
to
it
go to
turns
the
into
day.
dare. Okay,
Yes,
cool.
correct. Who's your favorite family member?
Oh, come on. This is It's dad.
What?
The genuine shock on your face.
Favorite?
I don't know. You know, it's a hard one because just because of the different roles that people play in your life, you know? And I mean, I'm definitely closest to you,
Okay.
even though
Go close.
you go close.
Sure.
But I also feel like I'm a hard person to get close to.
Okay.
Yeah. As I mean, we've had this conversation before, but after having this conversation, I was like, "Ti close na bani?" Where I can be like, "No, we're close." And what does that look like? How is that different from abanye abantu who I consider my friends or my family? And I don't think I'm easy to be close to. I'm easy to be friends with, but I don't
Okay.
think I'm easy to be close.
But not la as a friendship manyan.
Yeah.
You are easy to be acquainted with.
Yes.
Okay.
But I don't think I'm open enough to be easy close.
Okay. Because the closeness requires openness
For sure. For
and
sure, from both-
vulnerability.
Yeah. And I don't think I exude that. A few people can say that about me, that they've seen a vulnerable side of me.
That side, but not Taba. It's an open door.
Yeah, no, not at all.
Sisirhoxo nge-public holiday awuyazi uba mhlawumbi wafika sivuliwe sivaliwe. Sure. No, I get that.
And I don't know how I feel about it yet, but
Yeah, awunazi operating hours.
No, anazo tu.
That's interesting. Okay. Ingasikube nazo.
Are you asking?
Yeah.
I don't know. I haven't made it a good or a bad thing in my head. You know what I mean? It's just a thing, right? There's also just something about protecting my feelings that I feel very strongly about.
Okay.
That causes me to be very surface.
Sure. And
Yeah.
you can't protect my feelings better than me. Asikudlale ngazo wena if I give you half a chance.
And unazo ezakho also, so uzathi ubujonge ezakho ezam zibe safarisha, you know.
Yes.
Which then kind of led me down a bit of a rabbit hole about like in relationships, how am I then?
Sure. Yeah. Because
Like-
you can't just flick a switch. This is the thing.
No. And then I was like, yeah, I'm not very open. But it's easy to get along with. And I guess maybe that's because I'm not very open.
Correct.
Yeah.
So awunyatheli is you don't cross-
Natalie Conzi.
you're not crossing lines a lot.
No, I don't cause a ruckus. I respect people's boundaries. Andifundi ininzi.
Thalithi ungamenzi loo nto. Ayikho loo nto leyo. Wenziwa noba yintoni.
Oh my gosh! Next. What was the question?
Who's your favorite family member?
Who's your favorite family
Yeah,
member?
but why is are you serious? Is that your favorite family member?
It's a close tie between the two of you.
Ayithanda indoda Thali. Unamakazi, no cousin, no mama, no sister. That's so cool. Do you think you're his favorite?
I don't think he has one.
Okay.
You know something I don't know?
No. You don't think he has one?
No.
Okay. So the question is, Nangaketi there.
Angakhetha
It there.
Probably.
Yo. I don't know if I've got a favorite. Yeah.
Yeah, because that's also big.
Yeah, but I mean, what does it mean in the greater scheme of things? It doesn't, like, for me,
If you had to spend 30 days in a desert with someone, who would it be in the family?
like, luxury desert.
What the
Okanye, we can potentially come. Yeah, I was getting seeking galo. Ilambile.
Oh, got a coconut. I love
Look, I mean, also favorite is not a heavy thing. People make it a heavy thing. Favorite, not the end of the world, club, favorite. But do you know who I really enjoy? I really enjoy Cousin Yetu Solums.
Oh, I knew you'd say that.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I enjoy him so much. My aunt's kid.
Yeah.
Oh, and I'm enjoy.
Yeah, he's great.
Yeah.
I don't blame you for that.
I know.
Yeah.
Oh.
How?
No, it's not even like that, man.
I see.
Oh, whatever. Do you talk to yourself in the mirror?
Yes.
What do you say?
Come on, girl, you got this. Yeah, you wait for. Did you do it now? Ain't no names on doing now. I'm a zombie. Cute.
That's the only thing. We
No.
are hyper in the mirror.
Yes, 100%.
Okay.
Mostly.
At home, in the gym, in your car. What? Before you go do something
Yeah.
and stuff like that.
When I'm
Really?
feeling insecure, yeah.
Okay.
Mm.
Oh, and do you do that out loud?
Yes. Mhle geli. Uyazibona? Uyazibona umhle? Hayi abakwazi. Nje ndiphuma ngemnyango ndiyoba
Again.
ngena.
Okay. When did you learn that?
I don't know.
Have you been doing it for long?
It feels like it.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I spend a lot of the time in front of the mirror, especially when I'm like learning like lines.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
So it's not a foreign thing in my world
Yes.
to meditate with myself
okay.
in the then whatever it is that is needed at the time.
Oh, that's cute. I like that for you.
When
I do as well.
trust the process. That's written on your mirror, so you don't have to be far-fetched.
Then I'm not talking to myself, I'm reading out loud. It's also kind of like I practice things.
Mm-hmm.
For some reason, like the most recent thing that I've done is practice greeting people, introducing myself.
What?
I don't know. I wanted to have the experience of, I got pressured by Instagram. So, but I also wanted to have the experience of what the energy that I give off
Okay.
when I'm meeting someone,
Yeah.
and how that can possibly then work into kind of the relationship that I then build with that person.
Okay.
Yes. so wanted to see how I do it. I was thinking about what my facial expression is because I don't know what had happened. I think I was somewhere met someone, but then it was a very cold la high, but there was no reason for it to be cold. But I noticed in that moment that like I wasn't smiling, I wasn't. But
Open.
yeah, then go I just come off a run. But I was also just like, oh, let me practice that. You know what I mean? So as to try and make it like a second nature for a first impression, a constant. I wanted a consistent first impression.
Oh.
That's what I was after. And Kai, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
Tika, bro.
Practice on
yeah. So that it was for that reason, and yeah, and I mean, I think I half spoke to myself in the mirror. Go basically a photo shoot when practice the pose.
I saw you.
I said, "Come on, boy." Yeah.
Motivation.
Yeah. So, okay, next one. What's the biggest lie you've ever told me?
Oh, I can't tell you.
It's in the past.
Yeah, but it's also like
One shaya. So you did lie to me
yeah, but it had nothing to do with you.
about your life?
I literally can't tell you. I can never tell you.
Particularly, Talita.
Chomi, but it's so intricate and it involves
Lie na manchoncho, nendo ezininzi like inkulu.
yeah, because I had to keep it up.
And then you're still keeping it up.
Well, no one talks about it anymore, so I don't have to think about it.
Hectic. Now I need to think about what we talk about. What we
Or
don't.
what we don't.
Talk
that's
about.
gonna be hard. You'll literally. I could give you 10 years to think about it, and you wouldn't.
That's
never.
crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know about your moral compass anymore. But why did you lie?
It's so complicated.
This is the thing, to protect yourself.
Yes, but you're not
Or
the
to
only
protect the
person I
person.
lied to about this. I lied to so many people.
Talit.
The parents, the family, everyone.
So zangu zigcina i-dreads zakho ezo dreads.
Imagine. That'd be so weird. Nah, bro. Ngizoyibalisa ngenye imini mhlawumbe
Hayi. God forbid una 99 pa uhleli nemibhobho usithi Soko, come here.
You will laugh. I promise you.
Oh, really?
It's not a serious one. No. You will laugh. You will laugh. I promise.
That's so wild.
I know. Ugh. And it's something I did, and it's like weird. Like, I ask myself to this day, why did I do that?
Ingaske uzikhulule yazi sentsho xa unechance. Phela nto ba when you're carrying something, you know, it has weight. And ngenye ixesha ufika ba ibhlokha ezinye izinto ebomini bakho. So it wasn't recent.
No.
Okay.
It's over 20
Recently,
years
have you?
ago. No.
Over 20 years ago.
Yeah.
Okay.
Recently, not that I can think of, no.
Okay.
When?
No. I can't think of it.
No.
At all.
I don't like lying.
Ne?
No.
Yeah, I didn't
No, you also have to
know.
remember the lie and then you get caught out. Oh, no.
Yeah. Mnandi kumindi mna. But what I've noticed is that the more in the end you cooler, the more I'm just like, sure, and mindy.
Yeah.
But the more I'm just like, it's unnecessary.
It really is.
Yeah, it's
also.
unnecessary. So, I mean, sure, judge me if you want to judge me, but only judge can go at me. But I'm like, it's unnecessary.
100%. Because, like, why?
Yes.
And, like, whoever you're thinking of lying to, what is the point of that? So that
It's to make... Yeah, to view you in a certain...
Yeah, but I'm also very happy in who I am. Do you know what I mean?
Yes.
And so if Umdo isn't down with who I am, it's fine. I'm not going to lie to you to make you think that I'm better
Sure.
than I am.
And it also helps ungenzi into eziphambeneyo.
Mm-mm.
That definitely helps in you having less things to lie about.
Exactly.
That's really, really cool. I like that. Yeah, now I think the more I've grown, the more I've seen it as an unnecessary thing to shaya abahlali. Or ushaya umhlali, especially umdu that's close to you that more than anything else will probably help you
Exactly.
than not help you. Sure, and I'll tell the lies of Anayo or you know what I mean? Like those ones.
Little walk
But
laws.
yeah. Okay,
Okay, let's do the last one.
let's do the last one. What's the weirdest thing that you've ever Googled?
No, guys. This game is not okay. I Google so often and so many of them are weird.
Okay, give us one.
I don't know.
Okay, do a dare then if you don't want to.
Okay, what's the day?
Do an impression of me or a celebrity until I guess who it is. If you're not going to do an impression of me.
Okay.
Are you doing a celebrity?
You're about to find out. Okay. Nifuna kuthini bahlali? Nifuna kuthini? Because wena uthi uyazithanda. Kodwa izinto uzenzayo asibonisisi uba uyazithanda. Uyazithanda?
What?
That obviously sucked.
Also a celebrity. That is close up all the time.
Uwe fondini. Get off the stage. I was wondering. Come on. Kaloku usingcolisa.
You are a horrible human being. I hate that Ngomile at the beginning of the show that morally. We have seen that's why I said umdu ungabomncoma.
Uzokubonisa ukubani.
Really?
Yenza wena.
Into
Impression wena.
oh, that's the impression kaloku mna
What
phone.
then?
Mna I can tell you what I googled him
What?
so that I don't have to do the day.
Okay.
I googled it. But I was young, I was like 12, 13. I
Yeah.
googled it. How do I know if I can make children? Don't ask me. No follow-ups allowed.
That is so cute. Also, what business do you have making children at 12?
I didn't want to. I just wanted to know.
But you look Google.
And then no follow-up.
Oh, okay.
We need to get to the board.
Okay, we need to do two things. Let's start with the board.
Yep.
Uncommunicated expectations are premeditated resentment.
Stand.
I love it so much because
yeah.
the more I thought about it, I have lots of time to think about it. This thing will be the death of me.
Sure.
But when we do this all the time as
Yes.
human beings,
Absolutely.
we expect people to act in a certain way or to do certain things.
Yep.
But those people don't know that. And then when that person doesn't do what you expect them to do, yes, you resent them. Even though they didn't participate, they had no point in which they participated in your expectation or knew about it at least. And so the harshness of this is that you have maybe subconsciously premeditated by not telling them what I expect and being mad at them for not doing what I didn't tell them. Oh. But not consciously.
Not consciously.
No.
The land about not making a choice is making a choice.
Yeah.
So, and if so, then it becomes a mathematical equation in my head that says if communicate expectation, premeditate resentment, that I must know. So it's I'm not doing this actively, to your point.
No.
But if I don't do this, then I am doing this.
Yeah.
That's what it looks like in my head.
I found out, quick story, I found out about excuse me, one of my friendship breakups recently, and I didn't know why it had happened. And I found out about why it had happened. And I was like, we were friends for so long, and you had expectations of what a friendship looks like. And then I didn't meet those expectations, and that's why we broke up. But you didn't tell me anything at any point. And I'm like, "Ikale nini lonto? How long have you felt this way? Don't. Were we even friends? Don't. So you premeditated the resentment that you have for me.
No, I didn't.
And communicated expectations.
Absolutely, I didn't understand the formula. But I didn't see it come. If
yeah, no, for sure.
This is the thing. That's what it sounds like.
Yes, that's what it sounds like.
Yeah. This is the thing. And it's also on us to I think, in our understanding of the statement, not take it to there to say, ubufuna most because I don't think I think bengafuni na imenze imehlele.
Yes, but the one thing does lead to another.
Correct.
Ufuna or not.
Correct. It absolutely does. It's not that we are iphone, and it's like a lot of things that happen to us in life. It's not like say iphone le consequence. Us not doing this causes this, and we don't make that link. Tina, 1 + 1 is 2. We think these things are are like mutually exclusive. Oh, come on.
Hey.
And we treat them like that, but they're not.
Yeah. But also, some of the times you don't know what your expectations are until they're not met.
100%.
Yeah.
But then when they're not met, bakhona into ivayo.
Yeah. Yes.
Bakhona into ivayo.
Yes. So meaning you did not communicate an expectation.
Yeah.
Because you weren't cognizant of it.
Yes.
But when it wasn't met, that's the first time you were cognizant of it.
Correct.
I actually expect you to be this person in this situation.
100%. Unfailile ngolu hlobo.
Then is it your duty then to communicate that after the fact?
Absolutely.
Boring.
Because now you're gonna nail me for it anyways.
Yeah.
You can't nail me for it 6 months later. Yeah.
Cool. It was a great board today.
Happy with that.
Thank you guys so much for joining us. And remember, if you want to see us go live and do a podcast on the 25th of October, we will be doing that. If you guys haven't seen any of our posters, on the 25th of October, we're doing a live session, proudly brought to you by
Spotify Live Sessions. We're going in on the 25th at Victoria Yards. You can get tickets at quicket.co.za. But what we'll do also, we will leave the link in the bio.
Link
in bio or into the description rather. We'll leave the link in the description where you guys can click on that and then get your tickets there.
100%. Okwangoku, the tickets are $200. So one is new until at the doors is by 300.
So my suggestion to you guys would be get it now while it's hot.
While the cakes are still hot.
Yes.
Thanks guys for joining us. I had the most fun today. I don't know why. I've been in a good mood all day also. And I said Jimmy, and people were like,
what's happening?
Oh, yeah. I was like, I don't know. But thanks for joining us, guys. I hope you Mandi.
100%, guys. We'll see you again on the next episode. You know what it is. Sibling Thrivery out. But always remember, love each other.